If you have to give presentations, speeches, or do sales, this tiny tip will make you money.
Have you ever noticed what some people do with their hands during a presentation? Some wave them around like they're directing air traffic control. Others stick them down in their pockets like they've just smuggled a rotisserie chicken. And some look like they're fighting off a swarm of bees. But there's actually a very simple trick that you can use that will make your presentations and speeches easier to follow and remember. Because when people get nervous presenting, their hands start doing things randomly. But your hands are actually a very strong communication tool. So here's a simple trick that professional speakers use when they step on stage. Think of an invisible shelf right in front of you. And every time you bring up an idea, place it on that shelf. For instance, if in your presentation or speech you have 3 key points you need to lay out, it's going to look something like this. First, we need to improve customer service. Second, we need to address production efficiency. And third, we must have employee safety. Now your audience can literally see your framework and follow along like they're reading a roadmap. And here's why this technique steals the show. Because your brain loves to organize things visually. When your ideas are laid out this way, it's so much easier to grasp your message. And here's a bonus. Using this trick is going to keep you from doing strange motions with your hands. And believe me, if you've ever had to watch yourself on tape giving a speech or a presentation, you may have seen yourself doing something weird like T-Rex jazz hands, and nobody wants to see that. So the next time you're speaking, don't let your hands go random. Place your ideas where people can see them. Because when people can see your ideas, they don't get confused. They get on board. And stay tuned for more communication tips.